stop playing with him.
Jada Vinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Get it, 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 get it. Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say.
So I'm gonna just start off by using my Got to Be Glue hairspray and spraying it all over the cap. This is just going to help secure the cap down so it doesn't go anywhere. I don't know, I just like this method the best because it makes my braids, you know, look like I got scalp under the wig. I don't know, it just makes it look natural to me, okay? If you haven't tried it, try it, check it out. I'm using cool air to secure it, to lock it down. If you use hot air, it's literally going to turn into a mess. Maybe you should just try it so you can see. Or don't, because all you gotta do is just use cool air, okay? Now I'm just cutting it. I didn't show you the previous part because I was very disappointed in how I cut it. But yeah, I'm just cutting it off. I cut the back off too. I don't sew it down. Some beauticians on Instagram sew it down. If I was doing it on a client, perhaps I'd sew it down. But for me, it's perfectly fine the way it is. I'm just add some more spray to hold it down. And I really hope that you guys learned something from this tutorial. It's very long. I'm gonna do a little voiceover. So I hope it's very helpful. Give it a big old thumbs up. And I'm like faded right now. And stuffed. So yeah, I could just go to sleep. But now I'm gonna just try on the cap to see if it fits, to see how it fits, to see if I need to cut off some more cap, which I will. So she's like, no, I gotta cut some more off. I know you see what I see. I was really trying to make it work. Like, is it gonna work? All right, no, it's not gonna work. You see, because you see that little thing? Yeah, you see it. All right. Gotta cut off some more. And just lift it up so you don't cut your hair off. If you cut your hair off, I mean, it's just hair. See this? Oh, look, so here we are. We're putting the powder and it's just speeding through. But we're putting the powder on our head, on our cap, so it's like super, you know, flesh tone. I want it to look as natural as possible. So that's currently what we're doing. I'm just using my pressed powder. And then in the end, like for the actual hairline, I found that, oh, and I'm putting on the inside too. But I found that putting my foundation, like my liquid foundation, on the perimeter of the hairline just made it look absolutely flawless, like liquid lace. All right, so we're finally getting somewhere. And it's funny because in today's tutorial, I put on my wig a whole new method, like a whole new way, and I actually like this way. This wig in particular is a little on the larger side because I took off the elastic band. But yeah, this way is very beginner friendly. So if you're like completely virgin, very new with putting on your wigs, I would recommend you do it this way because you're probably gonna have an easier time and a less messier time, if you dig what I'm saying. Then I'm gonna go on with a layer of Got to Be Glue, then the freeze blast, and then I'm gonna set it with the cool air, and then I'm gonna just place that wig on with all of that lace. Yes, it's happening right now. We're gonna do a thick enough layer of that, and then we're gonna go on with the freeze blast. I should take this call, but I'm never gonna finish this voiceover. I'm so tired. Okay, I'm just spraying some Got to Be Glue on my edges. Hitting it with the cool air. Wow, I just fell asleep. Okay. So yeah, I did what I said I was gonna do. I placed the wig onto my head. All right, guys, just watch what's going on. I need to take a nap. I need some rest.
Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Dunked on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench, while I'm coming off the court fully drenched. Here goes some haterade, get your thirst quenched.
If I hit it one time, I'm a piper. If I hit it 2 times, then I like her. If I fuck 3 times, I'm a wiper.
design it to the fit. And if you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit. Oh, bad bitches only in my section. Bitches only, and that's a lesson.